Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video, continuing on our pizza crust quest, I guess. And I said was going to do the Martha White for this one. We've already done the Jiffy, and it was pretty good. It was 79 cents, so fairly cheap. So it was okay. I'd get it again in a pinch if I wanted to make pizza, but this is the Martha White one. I say it again. This one we'll be doing now. I have used this one before in the past, and I've enjoyed it. It makes pretty good pizza for it. I mean, making out of a package of a crust, so I do have a little experience with it, but it's pretty good. But I'll run through the instructions of it, and there's the pizza there. It's sitting there still cooling because it's still fairly hot on the bottom of my hand, or on the bottom of my hand from the bottom of the plate, whatever, you know. But I'll run through the instructions here, and I'll throw a video up on screen of what was on the back. But it says you'll need a half cup of water, 100 to 130 degrees, about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I used olive oil, extra virgin olive oil instead of vegetable oil, but you can use whatever oil that you want to. So preheat your oven to 475 and put your oven rack in the lowest position there, and get you a pizza pan ready and get it sprayed and ready to go. So once you got that, you'll combine your pizza dough mix in a bowl with your hot water. Stir it about 30 strokes, and then once it's all together, make it into a dough ball, put a little oil on it, and then let it sit covered for 5 minutes, and then you can press it out once it's been sitting for 5 minutes, and get it out to your desired how big you want it. Couldn't think there. Into your pan size. Then you'll prick it with a fork good, bake it at 475 for your 5 minutes. Take it out, and then you'll put on your toppings, then back into the oven for your 9 to 11 minutes, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. But I'm trying to think. Yeah. But there you go. There it is. It's still pretty hot, so I'm gonna let it chill. But like I said, with the mix, got my mix, threw it in my mixing bowl, and then I started running my hot water till I got it to the 100. I went to the 130 because I figured by the time I filled it up and then came to my bowl a little bit, it'd drop in a little bit into degrees, so it'd be in that 130 to 120 range that it says. Poured it in there, whipped it up good till I got it all together, and then I added just a touch more water because it looked like it was a little dry, and put oil all over it. Let it sit covered for 5 minutes, and then once it sat, then I got it, rolled it out, or squished it out, as you'll see that I'll have up. Got it all squished out, and when I had it to about the size that it would stretch to, because it's a little stretchy. You could feel the dough when you was working it. Got my fork, as you'll see, and I pricked it all good. And once I got it all pricked, put it back in the oven, or put it in the oven for the first time for the 5 minutes, and let it cook off so it kind of pre-bake so it don't rise up too much. That's why you're pricking it with your fork. Then I took it out and threw the toppings on there, and I just I did exactly with my other one. The ragu sauce, mozzarella cheese, and then pepperonis, and back in the oven. Then I cooked it for about 10 minutes because I set it for 9 so I could go ahead and check and look at it. And timer went off for my 9 minutes. Checked it, looked at it, and it needed just a little bit longer. So I let it go almost another minute and then took it out and it was ready to go. But there we go. Got it out and ready to go. It's a little greasier, looks like, than the other one, but it shouldn't be with the dough that do that. But there's the back crust. It looks pretty good. And then there's the pizza, of course. So it's a little floppy. I don't mind the dough being a little flop because usually it's got a little more chew to it. And for this one, it was 99 cents. I don't know if I said that yet. I know it said the Jiffy was 79, but this one was 99, so 20 cents higher. It's better. It's better than the Jiffy. It's not as dry kind of feeling. It's got a little bit more chew and pull to it. A little slightly fluffier. Still a little crunch to it that y'all might be able to hear. But for a cheap pizza, and 99 cents for that crust, that's pretty good. Better than the Jiffy. Now, compared, oh, lost my napkin, running away. Compared to the pizza crust in the can, I gotta go with it. It's better. It's better than the Martha White. I don't know how to find the price for it, because I know it's a little more expensive than the Martha White. I think it's like $1 or something. But it is better. It's better than that. It's fluffier, got that pull and chew to it. Dough is kind of good and springy when you work with it too. But this is pretty good. This is out of the mixes. This is a better one. So for 20 cents, I'd say go ahead and buy the Martha White, because it is better. Better taste, texture, feel when you're working it and stuff. So it's taking first right now, but there's only 2 competitors so far. We still got 1 more to go with Bob Mills, Red Bob Mills, something like that. It'll be the next one in this pizza crust series of mixing it on your own. already pre-made, the one in the can. It's better than both of these. But it does pretty good. Let me see kind of how thin it is, but got pretty good color on the back. Got a little crispiness of the cheese right there, but I kind of like that. And the cheese gets like that. Pretty good. Good lunch. This is my lunch. What y'all chowing down on? Hopefully it's something good. Cause I love me some food, but I love all food. If it's peanut butter and crackers, I'm all in. If it's a T-bone steak, I'm all in. I'm happy with food. I like food. Good food, bad food, I just like food. Well, not like bad food, you know, when I eat it, you know, oh, that's terrible. I'm really like bad for you food and good for you food. And I can chow down on the salad and be like, yes. And then I can chow down on this and be like, yes. Don't discriminate with my food. Like it. Like it all. But pretty good. Martha White so far with a win. We'll see how our other one plays out for us. So pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna finish on up my pizza here. Have me some more for supper tonight. Maybe breakfast too. We'll have to see. But anyways, I appreciate y'all watching this already. I really do appreciate it that you take time to watch whatever I'm doing, because time is a valuable thing, and you offered me mine. I offered me yours to watch mine, whatever. Thank you. That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you very much. So, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And when you do, goodness, y'all, I'm still, allergies are awful right now. When you do, hey, we'll welcome you on into the head to tail family. And we'll love you and welcome you. So, thank you again. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Oh.